Ayan, wala nang click. Ayan, hello. I think everybody. Hindi siya super tutorial like you see on YouTube. Not being in a unique way. Meron ba to? Ayan, meron nga. So, not in a unique way, pero in a way na, it's like helping my friends. So, I think marami akong friends or like random people na gustong matuto mag-drums. So, so ito na siya. Pero first things first, let me talk about yung ako specifically is um, worship drummer. So in the point of worship drumming, it's about yung it's about sound check. Ayan, meron pa. Ayan, still it's still about worshiping God sa in any place, anytime, anywhere, all at once. So ayun. And it's also a form of art, tandaan nyo yan. And tayo nagdadala ng dynamics. I think why also pala why am I saying these things na Ivan diretso ko na sa drums, diretso ko na sa anong tawag dito? Diretso ko na sa thing. Do the thing, Ivan. I want to start differently. It's about it's still about praising God. It's still about worship drumming eh. And also it can cater later on how you play drums, how you approach drums. So I approach drums in the heart of serving. So I like serving the church. So church dude ako. Pero I like what one of my friend from Spain sabi niya. You can make ano yan? You can make good water or bad water. So ina-explain niya kung ikaw na kumakanta ka sa church, and then later gumigig ka, ibang tao ka sa ibang places. I'm not pointing to anyone, but I think we can start there. Na it's about worship leading and worship so we bring the dynamics sa chork, and we bring different stuff. Actually, what's good right now is madali lang ang worship drumming. Bakit? Kasi worship drumming is very approachable na lang siya. Very madali. Actually, spammable even. So, later ko i-teach yun sa worship drumming. So, ako, personally, natuto ako mag-drums because of my sister. So like, gusto ko, actually. Uy, ang cool niya ate, worship leading. Woo! And then, gusto ko rin matuto, electric fan. Gusto ko rin matuto any instrument. So I first got the guitar, like, alam mo yung beginner. Hindi ako beginner or any means, pero like, sakit sa daliri guys. Anyway, so I would like to share yung I forgot the verse, pero ang sabi sa Exodus I think 31, hanapin nyo na lang. Belzebul ata yun. Bulbasaur. No, Belzebul, siya yung recorded na first to be filled with the Holy Spirit. Recorded siya. What we mean by that is yung context nun sinasabi na he's skilled by art, he's skilled by skilled siya, creative siya, may knowledge siya. So I think each and every one of us has a different say on what creativity is, on what are those things, 'di ba? So I think yun siya na it's still a form of art. It's not a competition. And gusto kong i-point out na music is not about It's not about the competition. Ay, mas popular siya. Ay, mas maganda yung gamit ko. May face akong ganun eh. Pero I later to find out na almost same journey lang eh. Na natuto tayo ng, let's say sa guitar, natuto tayo ng ilang chords, we progress. Then nakita natin sino ba? Tim Henson ba? Yung isa sa most popular guitar player today. So I think we can start there na learning a few stuff and taking the time to practice. Actually, yun lang naman yung key secret eh. Yung the magic word, the P word, practice. So ayun siya. I think I think this is the best way to introduce drumming sa isang church drummer. Or ayun siya. Pero it's not about also church drumming. We can learn later on yung different technicalities, different stuff na pwede nating gawin. So, ayun. Ay, baka magalit ka. Ivan, nasa na yung drums? Let's play drums. So, ayun. Okay.